Microsoft has recently made some exciting announcements regarding their Copilot service. They have introduced new updates that offer more options for users who wants to improve their Copilot experience. Among them, there's no 300-seat minimum purchase anymore for Copilot for Microsoft 365 and general availability to businesses of all sizes, including small and medium-sized businesses. Also, premium subscription Copilot Pro for individuals. If this content is useful to you, subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest news on Copilot and Dynamics 365. Starting with the commercial licenses, the minimum purchase is just one now. You do need to have Microsoft Plan underneath this for the whole thing to work. Copilot for Microsoft 365, by definition, is working in those Microsoft 365 apps: Word, Teams, Outlook, PowerPoint, Excel, OneNote, and more. So you need to have a license for those things, and then the Copilot is an add-on to that. So if you are in a small business category, you need to have either the Microsoft 365 Business Standard or Microsoft 365 Business Premium. You'll see each of these now says Copilot for Microsoft 365 available as an add-on. These come with all of the apps you need, and the price is $30 per user per month in the US. On the enterprise side, you previously had to have Microsoft 365 E3 or E5. Now you can do it at the enterprise level with Office 365 E3 or E5 as well. The difference between those plans is that the Microsoft 365 licenses have extra security protection, but in terms of the applications that are used for Copilot, it's going to be exactly the same. So with this update, Microsoft continues to bring Copilot to empower more people and organizations on the planet to achieve their goals faster. Copilot now is available for education customers for the same price. The minimum requirement here is that you have Microsoft 365 A3 or A5 faculty, or Office 365 A3 or A5 faculty. What if you're not a business, but a user who wants to use Copilot to enhance their creation experience? Previously, anyone was able to use Microsoft Copilot, free Microsoft chatbot, previously known as Bing Chat. But now users can enrich their experience with Copilot Pro Premium subscription. Copilot Pro is sitting at a price tag of $20 US per user per month. You still can have Microsoft Copilot for free. But for you want more, Copilot Pro can give it to you. So the difference here is that it's working in Microsoft 365 apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote on PC, Mac, and iPad. Basically Microsoft 365 Copilot, but for an individual user. Also, you need to be on a Microsoft 365 personal or family plan to use it for your own personal productivity across those apps. The other important thing here is that you're getting access to premium GPT models. So you'll see GP4 Turbo in Copilot Pro, including during peak times, and more boosts and speed with that image generation thanks to the image creator from Designer, formerly Bing Image Creator. Also, the Copilot mobile app is now available for both Android and iOS devices. With it, you can use Copilot on the go and your Copilot queries wherever you want. The app provides the same features and capabilities as the PC version, including access to GPT-4 and DALL-E 3 for image creation. You can also use images from your phone while chatting with Copilot. Moreover, chats will sync between your phone and PC. That's all for today. If you'd like to know more about what Microsoft solutions can do, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.